The next couple of minutes is going to showcase to you a before and after transformation that's literally one of my favorites we've done in the last 6 to 12 months. We do so many of these here at ConversionWise. We are Europe's largest conversion rate optimization agency, and I can't wait to show you the before and the after design that we've done for this client. It's very, very cool. Let's get into it. So just very quickly, I'm Oliver. I'm co-founder and CEO here at the ConversionWise. We've been doing this 12 years. And if you'd like to chat how we can optimize your store to turn more clicks into customers, then there's a link below in the description. But let's get into this transformation because it is really one of my favorites. I love this store. You can see their before design. The branding's really, really cool, but they lack any sort of conversion principles or anything that's going to push a cold click into a customer. We've completely redesigned the store, and you can see the after here in front of you. We've added this really nice trust policy bar. I love the colors that they've used. It pops, it punches, and we've used the color in the right place. We then supported it with more trust, pictures of people with the product, but also the awards that they've won. So many of you win awards and you shove them in your footer. Literally 2% of your audience is going to see them. Pull them up, put them in your image carousels, put them in your images above the fold, and you will convert more people. We then have this really punchy headline that I love. We supported it with benefit-driven bullet points. How many times do I say this? 3 points that make your perceived value elevated when people read it. Bold key phrases, include things that make them feel like this product will benefit them. It's a really nice way of doing it. Get rid of your boring descriptions. This is how you do it. A nice, clear call to action that's full width, and it tells people exactly what they can do. They can try it risk-free today. I love this transformation. Let me know if you love it as much as I do in the comments. Smash the like button, book in that call using the link in the description, and I'll see you in CRO Insights video episode 100 next.